video. This one is going to be a little bit different because आज we'll be focusing more on boards and less of competition वाली चीज़ें. And this one is also going to be for my cute little 10th graders. So today is basically a Friday. It's the 12th of July and I missed my coaching today. So basically past few days I wasn't really well. Today I'm feeling like a lot better and मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा खुश भी हूँ for some reason. Touch wood. आज ना I'll be studying more of board related stuffs. I'll definitely be trying to make it as much fun as I can for you all. So the very first task was to first clean my desk. ऐसे कुछ ज़्यादा गंदा नहीं हुआ था but I just had to arrange it and also मैंने सोचा that I'll be taking off the desk mat क्योंकि मैंने उसे बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा कर लिया है just in a few days. I will be using it जब भी I'll feel like. But for right now I just removed it and then I just cleaned everything very nicely. सारी चीज़ों को उसके जगह पे रखा and then it was all looking so good. This is the thing with me that I really cannot function in a cluttered environment. तो मुझे हर चीज़ चाहिए उसके जगह पे and you know seeing everything organized just makes me feel much more productive. So we are like done with the desk and now I have to sit and study. I'll just be sitting to study after like a whole complete day. So let's see how it goes. The first things first, सबसे पहले I just sat down to make like a to-do list and got an overview कि how will my day actually look like. उसके बाद I just went on to my shelf to grab my English के books because yeah today I'll be starting my English. I feel at this point काफ़ी सारे लोगों के आधे books हो चुके होंगे but still we are going to be starting today and I'll be starting with the main book that is Flamingo. पता नहीं whenever I just start the video, you know, whenever I just click on that on button, construction starts, guys. Anyways, I was telling that the last lesson is the first lesson of English that I'm gonna be studying right now. So let's go. Okay, also let me introduce you to my brand new friend. I told you in one of my shorts that I bought this iPad for myself a few days back and whenever I like function on it, I just feel like so happy. So abhi the plan was basically to look for a good YouTube video जिससे I can just get the explanation and side by side मैं अपने short notes भी बनाते रहूँगी. Short notes इसलिए because लिखते लिखते I'll also be able to memorize it better and last moment it will also help me in revision. तो yeah मैं बैठ गई वो करने and it was like quite an interesting thing to do because मैं काफ़ी दिनों के बाद English पढ़ रही थी so I was quite enjoying it a lot. मतलब obviously it felt so much better than the main course subjects that we have but the study session was going quite productive. Till then you tell me in the comments that which chapters of English are you already done with या फिर आपका plan भी है that you'll be starting before the boards begin. Just do let me know that in the comments. ओके तो मैंने लेक्चर भी कर लिया एंड आई ऑल्सो डिड द शॉर्ट नोट साइड बाय साइड एंड मेरा फर्स्ट चैप्टर हो चुका है. आई वॉज फीलिंग सो गुड आफ्टर सीइंग दीज नोट्स. ऑल्सो ना राइट नाउ टेकिंग नोट्स ऑन माई iPad लाइक फील सो मच फन टू मी. उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा सा देख लिया. आई हैड माई फेवरेट स्वीट स्नैक. डू यू लाइक लिटिल हार्ट्स एज वेल बिकॉज मुझे तो ये बहुत पसंद है. उसके बाद द थिंग वॉज दैट आई हैड टू रीड द NCERT. मैंने ना लेक्चर करने से पहले एक बार और इस चैप्टर को गो थ्रू किया था एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग इट आई जस्ट थॉट टू हाईलाइट the main points and एक बार और reading भी हो गई. So I was also thinking upon doing the questions of this chapter but मैंने सोचा that I'll first complete 2-3 chapters and then मैं सबके questions एक साथ कर लूँगी. So since I wanted this video to be equally helpful to both 10th and 12th के boards giving students, I personally want to include a few tips for the 10th के boards वाले बच्चे because मैं अपने कुछ tips आपको personally share कर सकती हूँ that had like really helped me a lot. For me personally, I wasn't really satisfied school की पढ़ाई से तो वापस आकर के we obviously had to look for some alternative and उस time पे I used to watch YouTube videos. That was like the only solution. I have even shared this जब मैं 10th में थी. Whatever study vlogs I used to make, I used to study from those 3 constant teachers. For like social studies, I was completely relied on Digrat sir. I don't know, for some reason he's the best social studies teacher. Like the way he taught, if you are like in 10th and you aren't studying from him, you're totally missing something, bro. So make sure you check his videos out. Only reason that I was able to score so much in social studies was because of him. So I even remember this one thing that मेरा final boards था, like the social science का boards का paper था, and उस दिन सुबह में at like 4 o'clock in the morning I was watching the map का lecture just for the revision. I just watched it and मेरा एक भी map का question नहीं छूटा था. So I was like so happy and वो इतना ज़्यादा helpful हो गया था. वो like इतने अच्छे से concepts समझाते हैं ना that you'll never be forgetting them. For science there was Prashant भैया, and then for maths there was Shobhit भैया. All these three teachers were like my absolute constant. I've even met them. They are absolutely stunning. Maybe teachers, maybe mentors. They absolutely are amazing human beings, I tell you. And now though you've got like a better option because all those three amazing teachers have now collaborated and formed a platform called Next Toppers. You can even study from them all together through that platform. So this is the like my pro tip that I want to give you all, and that had like really helped me. Secondly, I would like to say that utilize all of your time in school, whatever extra free time that you get in school. Try to complete your school work so that you have enough of time to self-study at home, and that way you can, you know, just have like a nice time management thing. Everything just puts aside, but do not stop working hard. That is the only one thing that is in our hands, and we should totally give our 100% so that we do not have any regrets in the future. So that was like a little tip that I wanted to share with you all. I hope it helps you somehow. And now I'm thinking to get back to studying, so let's go. Okay, so it then started to rain after a while, and अभी तो monsoon start हो गया है. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it's like summer. I don't know what this मौसम is going on, but it was like lunch time and I was like really hungry, so I had some proper rice and dal for lunch today. Everything aside, but this is truly the best combination, I tell you. Okay, so as I told you that it's the 12th of July today. Tomorrow is the 13th, and guess what कल क्या है? I am going to be attending my very first YouTube event. I'm literally like so much excited for it. तो अभी ना I'll be sharing you my outfit that I got. Here it is still inside. बिल्कुल भी कुछ last moment नहीं करना चाहती थी. That is the only reason कि मैंने सारा hustle पहले कर लिया था. So I got this like all red tank top. This is basically a formal kind of co-ord set which has a shirt and a pant. अभी I'm done with my lunch. I'll be getting back to some studying. So let's just go. अभी the plan was to study some maths, but I'll be doing some board level के questions today. So I already had this question bank वाला book. So this was of maths and I was doing a few questions from the chapter differentiability. इस time तक already शाम हो चुकी थी. I just started this video a little late, but anyways मैंने also lofi study music play किया था in the background. Like during studying maths, it's just like such a thing. It makes me feel so good and productive. And you know सच्ची में काफ़ी अच्छे से पढ़ाई हो जाती है. So I will tell you to try this once and do let me know कि आपको कैसा लगा. तो क्योंकि I wasn't well since the past few days, मैंने बहुत दिन coaching भी miss किया है, so उसका भी I have a few backlogs that I've created. But this particular day ना I had thought कि मैं English पढ़ना start करूँगी because उसको I had like procrastinated since so long and मैं कुछ भी last moment नहीं करना चाहती थी. And उसी के साथ ये वाला study session भी हो गया complete. And now I've got an ASMR unboxing to share it with you all, so enjoy. So all these products are from Skyweek. They sent me their vlogging essential kit that I want to showcase to you all. So this is basically their Signy Pod 2-in-1 tripod cum selfie stand. It is like truly perfect for all those epic in-house vlogs, or even you can take it on the go. Plus the build quality of it is like so good. I have to been using this tripod since the past 3 videos and I totally love the experience. It can be like so compact and साथ ही ये इतना ज़्यादा लंबा हो सकता है. I feel this is the best tripod that I've ever used. Okay, so next up we have right here is the Elevate laptop stand. This is not only gonna be helping us on the go but also function as a laptop stand for improved posture and productivity. The best part that they also arranged a giveaway for you all as well. So this is a versatile 2-in-1 mobile wallet, so it can double as your phone stand and also can keep your essentials handy for those purse free days. It's totally designed for our convenience. All the rules are mentioned here and all the links to their website and also to their Instagram will be mentioned down below in the description box, so make sure that you check them out. Okay, then now getting back to studying, I was thinking upon studying some maths again. So that is what basically I sat down to do, and uske साथ I will be completing this video. So I ended this video pretty early because tomorrow के लिए मुझे थोड़ा सा preparation करना था, and I really hope that you all enjoyed watching this. If you did, make sure you subscribe and I'll be seeing you in the next one. तब तक के लिए bye bye.